What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be making my walnut meat. All you need is some walnuts, some black beans, some mushrooms, tomato, onion, bell pepper, jalapeno, cilantro, some minced garlic, and a little bit of taco sauce. You can use this for tacos, whatever, but I'm using it on tostadas today. Let's get into it. So I'm going to turn on my water so it can start getting hot. And this is going to be the water that we're using to soak our walnuts in so they can get a little bit softer so they're not so hard and crunchy. So as you can see right here, I'm going ahead and putting it into my cup. I forgot the name for this, so I'm not going to even let y'all play me like a fool. The type of cup this is. But I'm going to put my walnuts in the water. This keeps it hot, so it's kind of like boiling. So that's what I'm doing right here. So while that's soaking and getting a little softer, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my tomato, my onion, my jalapeno, and my bell pepper, and my cilantro. Now, see, these two, I'm chopping it all up, but that tomato and that onion and that jalapeno and that cilantro, I'm going to use that for pico de gallo. Now, the other half of it, the jalapeno, bell pepper, onion, I'm going to use that for my walnut meat. I'm going to show y'all exactly what I mean in a second. So yes, I'm just chopping everything up right here. And that's it. Just dicing it up. You can do this however you like to do it. Do it your way, baby, okay? Because it's your way at the end of the day. So this is what I'm talking about. This side is pico de gallo. Other side, this is meat. That's what I mean. Pico de gallo, meat, pico de gallo. I'm going to show y'all. Okay, boom. So here, I'm just putting some minced garlic into the pico de gallo. I'm finna season this up. Put some black pepper in it. Some Himalayan pink salt. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And boom, there you go. It's ready, baby. It's ready. I did splash some lemon juice in that too, okay? So now we got our mushrooms and our bell pepper already in the blender. I think I have about 3 white mushrooms in there. So now I'm just going to dump my boiled or soaked walnuts into the blender. I'm going to put it on post until I get it to that consistency I want it to be, which is like ground meat. Okay, so we don't want it too gritty. We don't want it too thick because we don't want it to be imitating walnut. We don't want that crunch. You know what I'm saying? So now in the skillet, I already got my black beans. I'm going to dump my walnut meat in there. I'm going to dump the veggies that I said was for the meat in there. A little bit of minced garlic. Some onion powder. Some pink Himalayan salt, just a little, not too much. Black pepper. Some Worcester sauce, just a little splash. Some chili powder. Smoked paprika. And some cayenne. This is really going to give it that taco seasoning. All that red spices, that's give it that taco flavor, okay? Now we're going to pop on our fire. Put it on medium. And this is what it's looking like after cooking for a little while. It's looking good. It's looking good, right? So I'm going to put a little magic touch onto this, okay? You don't have to do this, but you can if you want to. But I'm going to put my little secret sauce on it, which is some taco sauce. That taco sauce I showed y'all early. Yeah, that. Put that in there. Honestly, I put a little bit too much, but it ended up working out. It was really good. Also, what I skipped that I put in there was a little bit of vegetable-based bouillon, like the liquid kind. It's really good, but just a teeny bit of that, okay? So right here, you just see me mixing it up, really working and getting those flavors through, okay? Now we got our tostadas. I got this pack for about $1. Put 3 of them on my plate, and now you just see me put my walnut meat on there. It's steaming, it's hot. I don't know how people eat their food this hot. I definitely like to let mine cool down a little bit, so you're not gonna see me eat this on camera. But I'm just putting a little bit of that on each of the tostadas. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my pico de gallo on there. Yes. Ooh, I'm getting hungry looking at it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This is one of my favorites to make. Like I said, you can put it on tacos, you can put it on tostadas, you can put it in your spaghetti, you could put in some chili, okay? This walnut meat is everything. So this is the final results, y'all. Delicious. If y'all try it, let me know what y'all think down there in the comments. Yes.
Just decided you ain't worth my time, can't get you off of my mind, can't risk. Little did I give it all, but you move in silence, did all your dirty